If you're struggling to put on weight or build muscle, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to talk about the top 10 foods that can help you gain weight and muscle quickly. Whether you're a hard gainer, an athlete looking to bulk up, or just trying to fuel your body for strength, these foods are packed with nutrients that will help you achieve your goals. Let's dive in. 1. Lean beef. Our first food on the list is lean beef. It's a fantastic source of protein and is packed with essential nutrients like iron and B12. Protein is crucial for muscle growth, and beef provides it in a highly bioavailable form, which means your body can absorb and use it efficiently. It's also rich in creatine, a compound that helps your muscles work harder during workouts. Aim to include lean cuts of beef like sirloin or tenderloin in your meals. 2. Chicken breast. Next up, we have chicken breast. It's a classic muscle-building food due to its high protein content and low fat. A single chicken breast contains around 25 to 30 grams of protein, which is perfect for muscle repair and growth after your workouts. Plus, it's versatile and easy to cook, whether grilled, baked, or sautéed. 3. Eggs. Eggs are another must-have for anyone looking to gain muscle mass. They're an excellent source of protein and healthy fats, plus they're packed with essential amino acids that support muscle growth. The yolks are also full of nutrients like vitamin D and omega-3s. If you're looking to add more calories to your diet, you can eat whole eggs or opt for scrambled or boiled eggs as a quick snack. 4. Salmon. Salmon is not only a great source of protein, but it's also loaded with healthy omega-3 fatty acids. These fats are great for muscle recovery and overall health. Plus, omega-3s can help increase protein synthesis, the process your muscles go through to grow. Add grilled or baked salmon to your meals a couple of times a week for an extra boost. 5. Sweet potatoes. When it comes to gaining weight, you need to eat more calories than you burn, and complex carbohydrates like sweet potatoes are perfect for this. Sweet potatoes are packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber, and they provide a steady source of energy for your workouts. They're also rich in carbs, which help replenish glycogen stores in your muscles after exercise. 6. Whole milk. Whole milk is one of the best liquid sources of calories, protein, and healthy fats. It's ideal for adding extra calories to your diet without feeling overly full. A glass of whole milk can give you around 8 grams of protein and plenty of fat, which will help fuel muscle growth. It's also rich in calcium, which is essential for bone health. 7. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is a powerhouse when it comes to building muscle. It's packed with protein double the amount found in regular yogurt, and it also contains probiotics, which are great for digestion. Whether you have it with fruit, nuts, or in smoothies, Greek yogurt is an excellent addition to your muscle gaining diet. 8. Quinoa. Quinoa is a plant-based protein powerhouse. It's one of the few complete plant proteins, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids your body needs to build muscle. Quinoa is also rich in carbs, making it an excellent source of energy for your body to recover and grow muscle. You can use quinoa as a base for salads, grain bowls, or even as a side dish. 9. Nuts and nut butters. Nuts and nut butters are packed with healthy fats and protein, which makes them a great option for adding extra calories to your diet. Almonds, cashews, walnuts, and peanut butter are all high in calories and healthy fats, which can help you gain weight while supporting muscle growth. A spoonful of almond butter or a handful of nuts is a perfect snack for those looking to bulk up. 10. Oats. Last but certainly not least, we have oats. Oats are a fantastic source of complex carbs and fiber, providing slow-digesting energy throughout the day. They also contain protein and a variety of vitamins and minerals that support muscle growth. Try adding oats to your breakfast or making overnight oats with protein powder and fruit for a nutrient-packed meal. Conclusion. So there you have it, 10 foods to help you gain weight and muscle quickly. Incorporating these nutrient-dense foods into your diet will give your body the fuel it needs to build muscle, recover faster, and ultimately help you reach your fitness goals. Remember, gaining weight and muscle takes time and consistency, so stay patient and keep fueling your body right.